So how was those fries?
Nothing special. I think it's quite expensive, but
Oh la mamma da. We just came out from the central station and we are ready to explore Antwerp.
and we're going to eat French fries.
What fries you get?
Normal frites, but with truffle sauce. It's really good. Nothing special.
And I got some basil and parmesan, of course. I mean, mine was okay. I really liked this combination basil and parmesan. Also, the sauce was really good. Was light, was not so heavy, was light. Also, the fries were really crunchy. Should we share a waffle? What do you think?
Yeah, why not?
It looks really tasty. This is typical Belgian waffle. This time, can you eat it all?
Yeah, let's try. Ice cream? It's good. You want to try one? With his white tracksuit, of course. Do you like it? Yes,